I'm Super Curious Kid, and today I'm going to explore a life of a neuron. Story of the greatest mystery of the human brain. You see, life of a neuron. Are you going to come explore with me? If you are, then great.
Good morning. Welcome.
Yes.
You're going to have fun.
Oh, yes.
If you ever wondered what goes on inside the human brain, this exhibit is perfect. Step inside the human brain. I found it so educational. I saw the thinking cell of the brain go from birth to death. Let's go in.
Feels like you're
You can run around, learn, and see the inner workings of your brain like you've never seen before. I would recommend it for sure. I'm not going to show you everything because it will take away the excitement of discovering and exploring by yourself. This is just a sneak peek. I would say it's worth a visit because I learned so much and it was fun. I hope you get to go one day, and I hope you liked the video. Check out my other top videos right here. Always stay super curious. Remember to like,